Now we use the K518 Pro. Programming smart key for the 2020 for Volvo XC40. Now I have 2 keys. This is the new key. This is the original car key. Now we use the K518 Pro. Program this new key to the car. Let's do it. Choose Volvo. Select XC40. After 2022, select Program Smart Key. First of all, we need to disassemble the CEM and read the data inside. Look at the operation menu to connect the CEM module. It's under the steering wheel. We've already disassembled a part of it. Take this box off. It only has 3 ports on it. Okay, let's take it down now. Okay, we've got this board from the dismantled CEM module. Solder this wire according to the instructions of operation menu. Then connect to our K-Progs adapter. I'll show you the connect way of these lines. Choose Volvo. This car is a Volvo XC40, but we haven't updated the XC40 menu of the device. The XC40 program is unavailable for 2024 model, but XC60 program works. Sometimes switching XC40 and XC60 program will work. So let's click on this XC60 after 2022. Select Program Smart Key. Look at the operation instruction. It has several types. Let's flip to this one. It's matched with the same module shape with 3 plugs. There are also 3 plugs on the picture. Weld to this circled spot. Okay, we've given you instructions. We also got a zoom in picture for you. And we need to match this chip model. Connect the cables to the CEM board according to the corresponding picture. After you've welded the cables, connect to our K-Prog adapter. Be aware of the connecting cables shouldn't be too long. We're gonna plug in the power supply, too. Okay, back to our K518 Pro. Choose Read CEM Data. Enter the file name to save. Loading. After saving data, we can go back to the car to add Smart Key. Or to do all Smart Key lost. Select a method to obtain the security code. We choose the second option to load the CEM module data. Click OK. Now let's look at the data that we read. XC402024. Click OK. Performing this function will delete all the program keys. Please prepare all the keys to be programmed. We got all keys ready. Both keys are here. Click OK. The current of keys is 2. All keys are currently cleared. Next, perform Add Key Program. The current number of keys is 0. Please place the programming key in the sensing area. For this car, the armrest box is the sensing area. Open this box here. There's a key sign here in the armrest. Let's put the keys here. Then click OK. The current number of keys is 1. Whether it program the next key? If we choose yes, just put another key over there. 2. OK. Please put the programming key into the sensing area. Let's take the program key out. Then put in the second key. After placing, click OK. The current count of keys is 2. Whether to program the next key? Cancel. Program complete. Let's check whether the key can be used normally. Lock. Unlock. Second key. Lock. Unlock. OK, remote control work. Now let's try to start the car. Take out one of the keys. OK, took it out. Now we start the engine. OK, engine starts normally. K518 Pro program smart key for the 2020 for Volvo XC40 successfully.